No, reception. You know reception? Watch it. Okay now. Watch it. Watch it too. All right. All right, let's go. Mr. Idiot. It was before anyone who is in love is an idiot or not longer language. Now, anybody who is not in love is an idiot.
Congratulations. Yes, so I go. That is Mother Mary, Mother of Perpetual Help, Our Lady of Perpetual Help. Mama. Now Mama was in there. Today she is now a wife. Congratulations to my baby girl. Yes, we day here, now we day here. Etiko Wajai. Yes, so Mother Mary's daughter. Yes, the code. Blessed Virgin Mary interceding for us. You know, easy. Jesus is our Father. Yes, so sleeping for Mother. Mama is in
Mr. Idiot is out of market, guys. He's now a married man. He's a popular actor, Enenikwe, something like that. Yes, that is his name. We know him as Mr. Idiot or Nature Idiot. But now he said anybody that was not married is Nature Idiot. But now that he's married, is Mr. Idiot. The man is very funny. Coming to security card, funny comedy, funny movie, you will see him. And his wife too. She's an actress, Chineye Imanduela. Yes, they are getting married. They are out of market. Yeah, and you'll spot some of your celebrities here. Etiko, Frederick Leonard, Chineye, SONIA, UCHE, and UCHE, Nancy, a lot of celebrity, a lot of colleagues, her colleagues and his colleague, because the two of them, they are actors and actresses, as in they all attain, which I don't want to talk much in today's video, right? I will leave it for you guys to watch. But before you say they are doing white wedding without traditional marriage, they did their traditional marriage back in January this year, 2022. That was when they did their traditional marriage, and this month they did their white wedding. I'm happy for them. Use one of your second and congratulate them in the comment section, Mr. Idiot and Imanduela Chineye. Yeah, so let me leave the video for you guys to enjoy. And if today is your first time watching my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. It's still your girl in the building, You and Two Media.
Give me. No? You smoke. Huh? Oh, me, you smoke. It's too much. Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, rain won't come.
Hey! Mommy, oh, this thing. I beg, go. I beg. This is the show.
on your mouth to the water. You need to open mouth.
Have you finished?
I don't want to finish it. I cannot done it.
Mr. Idiot. It was before anyone who is in love is an idiot or not longer language. Now, anybody who is not in love is an idiot.
Congratulations.